Ever wondered about the current Kia Forte and what's to replace it? Look no further. We're on the brink of a new era as the 2025 Kia K4 steps up to take the baton from the Forte. This compact sedan is not just a replacement, it's a revolution in design, technology, and performance. With its official reveal set for the upcoming New York Auto Show, the world awaits the full details. The 2025 K4 is here to carry on the legacy of the Forte, and it's not settling for less. The 2025 Kia K4 is more than just a replacement, it's a revolution in design. Imagine a blend of style and innovation, seamlessly integrated into one compact sedan. This is precisely what Kia has achieved with the K4, as it introduces its new design language, Opposites United. An evolution from the 2025 Carnival minivan and 2024 Sorento SUV, the K4 boasts distinctive features, including T-shaped headlights that link a lean rectangular grille. This connection culminates in a sharp point above the front wheel arch, leading into a unique crease that cuts upwards, meeting the side view mirror. Incorporating a sloping fastback-style roofline, the K4 also displays a unique D-pillar and L-shaped taillights that connect across the trunk width. The interior is a testament to clean design, with a large display spanning the dashboard, housing both the gauge cluster and infotainment. The 2025 Kia K4 is a bold statement in compact sedan design inside and out. But it's not all about the looks. What about the power that drives the 2025 Kia K4? Let's delve into the heart of the beast. The K4 is expected to sport powertrains akin to the outgoing Forte, possibly featuring a naturally aspirated 2-liter inline-4 or a turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-4. But wait, there's more. Rumors suggest a hybrid model to rival the Toyota Corolla Hybrid and the upcoming Honda Civic Hybrid, and even an electric variant named the EV4. More details about the powerful and stylish 2025 Kia K4 will be revealed next week at the New York Auto Show. Stay tuned.